Much has been said in recent years about how we must all be good to the environment. Unilever wants to double the size of the company, and a fundamental part of this ambitious goal is to reduce our environmental impact and increase the positive impact of our business. To reach our objective, we must develop a sustainable living plan and meet three main goals by 2020. To help more than 1 billion people improve their health and well-being. To halve the environmental footprint of our products. To source 100% of our agricultural raw materials sustainably. Value chain. All the products we consume have an environmental impact. We need to turn raw materials into products that people can enjoy using every day. We consider the impact throughout their entire process, starting from raw materials up to the homes of our consumers. This path is what we call the value chain, and it works like this. First, we source the raw material. Then, we make it into a product and deliver it to a shop. Then, our consumers buy it, use it, and eventually throw it away. Middle America's Safety and Environmental Strategy. The Sustainability Plan includes around 60 goals based on 8 pillars that involve every area of the company. At SHE, we are focusing on 9 goals, developing strategies to create better and safer work environments, reducing the environmental impact, and the number of accidents. People pillar. With this pillar, we establish workplace conditions so employees, contractors, temps, and visitors can feel in a safe environment. We follow up on different programs with the goal of maintaining our workplaces safe and productive at the same time, as evidenced in the following programs. The top 10 significant risks. Each side must report the 10 risks that their risk assessment has shown to be significant and must be controlled. We follow up and register their progress. Lessons learned. We communicate to our people every lesson that is brought to or generated in Middle Americas, and that applies to each of our sites. This has allowed us to anticipate possible accidents. We follow up monthly. SHE campaigns. They are based on a strategy to train, remind, and raise awareness among our people in a unique way, since personnel interact with each of our campaign topics. Among the campaigns done in Middle Americas, we can name Hand and Foot Care, OPA, SHE Pyramid, Safe Start, Pedestrians versus Forklifts, Waste Classification, Ladder Safety, SHE Week, Environment Day, Golden Rules, Safe Travel, Active Brakes, Cargo Handling, Order and Cleanness, among others. SHE Training. We believe that if our employees and contractors are trained, schooled, and made aware of SHE issues, we're contributing to the USLP with safer workplaces while keeping our accident indicators low. Reducing greenhouse gases. To measure our CO2 emissions, we use the Greenhouse Gas Protocol, the international tool most widely used to calculate, understand, and manage emissions. We are currently measuring the impact of the fuel burning needed in our factories and distribution centers, the energy used in our facilities, distribution of finished products, passenger flights, and sales vehicle rides. In order for this plan to be increasingly effective, it's good to keep in mind certain best practices. Efficient lining, boiler maintenance, switching from diesel to natural gas, carbon offsetting through certified reforestation, bike to work, bike juices, controlling distribution vehicle emissions. Reducing water use. We have focused on reducing water use in each facility, establishing metering stations, monitoring water use, and evaluating results through actions such as using wastewater for irrigation, collecting rainwater, dry urinals, water-saving mechanisms and accessories for flow reduction, optimization of changes in production schedules, reducing waste. By 2014, our factories and distribution centers will either reduce all the non-hazardous waste generated or recycle it through various techniques, achieving the Zero Non-Hazard Waste to Landfill Site certification. We must first avoid generating waste, reduce the volume generated, and then establish a proper partnership with recycling centers that we can reuse, recycle, or upcycle waste. Eventually, some materials may still be considered waste. However, these may be used as raw material or alternative fuel in the cement industry and be co-processed. Our sustainable living plan is ambitious and visionary. It's a plan designed for the care of the environment and a commercial strategy that we hope will bring great results on a short, medium, and long term.